Where were you for the winter storm of '94, 32 years ago? Well, Rachel Platt and I were the first to get on the air here at WHAS 11 that Monday morning, January 17th. We were on the air at 5:30 a.m. Heavy, wet snow, a lot of it falling, a total of 15.9 inches. And then the Arctic air swept in. 22 degrees below zero in Louisville. Louisville did not have the snow removal trucks, and we were not an SUV town yet. It was a disaster. Here at WHAS 11, we turned our coverage into a total pass-through of vital information. We would actually put people's phone numbers on the air who needed help and transportation, and you jumped into action. So happy anniversary to the winter storm of '94 when Kentuckiana came together. And Mallory, it's an odd anniversary to have with snow in the area,
right.
But as you just said at the top of the night team, this is no winter storm.
No, and in fact, areas, especially around Louisville, likely will only see a few flakes from time to time. It's really lining up more so off to our east. So if you're in Oldham, Trimble, Henry counties, you all might be getting a nice slushy dusting right now. Really, the best chance is staying off to the east of I-65. More so closer to the I-75 corridor. So Cincinnati down to Lexington and areas off to the east. That's just where this moisture and cold air is catching up. If we zoom in, you can see that here in the blue. So areas like Carrollton, Newcastle, Shelbyville over to Frankfort and Lexington. That transition from rain over to snow is finally happening. And then we're seeing some spottier snow showers still in southern Indiana, but that not looking to drop all too much in terms of accumulation. Down to the south, the radar is saying it's snowing in Adair County and once again more so off to the east. The band that we had that rolled through Louisville, we were just a little too warm to see that transition from rain over to snow. So we've been dealing with a chilly rain, temperatures in the 30s. Winter weather advisory remains in place off to our east. And in general, this purple area is just where there's a better chance for that snow to stick and accumulate. Might not be much, might be less than an inch still in some of those spots, but still something. The rest of us really been seeing some chilly rain and some snowflakes from time to time. Current temperatures, we are down to 36 in Louisville after topping out in the 40s this afternoon, 34 in Palmyra, 34 in Brandenburg, 33 in Shelbyville, 32 in Frankfort. So some of these areas that are right around that freezing mark, seeing that transition over to snow. But just a reminder that that transition to snow happens above us, not at the ground level. So the freezing mark helps, but it doesn't have to be 32 for it to snow at the surface. Current dew points, these have picked up throughout the course of the day. We had some dry air to overcome, but now the atmosphere is saturated, of course, just in time for a lot of this moisture to move on out. So our easternmost counties, Newcastle down to Campbellsville, could continue to see some snow here over the next hour. Otherwise, we're just looking at spottier activity that will try to roll through overnight. Tomorrow, looking at highs in the 30s. And then models really showing the pass of a spotty snow chance tomorrow evening. This is 7:30 on Saturday. If you have dinner plans or you're heading out tomorrow night, you might have some light snow showers. Behind that, temperatures plummet down into the teens. This cold air really rolling in from the northwest starting on Sunday. That will drop our wind chills down into the single digits. And the coldest night that we're expecting will be Monday night into Tuesday morning when wind chills across the region could dip down below zero. So your 7-day forecast, it is a wintry one. Highs in the 20s Sunday through Tuesday, and then looking to be a little bit more active again by the end of next week. Doug.